Let's draw the letter A together and learn how it's connected to some fun things like an apple, an ant, and an anchor. This will be exciting, so grab your drawing tools, and let's start drawing with some awesome creativity. The letter A is the first letter of the alphabet. It's like the leader of all the letters. The capital A has two big straight lines and one cute horizontal line holding them together. What shape does the capital A remind you of? Maybe a triangle? Good guess! Little a, lowercase, is round and cuddly. So fun to draw, don't you think? Apples are one of the most famous fruits and start with A. Crunch, crunch. Did you know apples can be red, green, or yellow? Which is your favorite? Anchors help ships stay in one spot, even in strong ocean waves. A is a vowel, and vowels are important for every word we say. The word anchor comes from the Greek word ankyra. Pretty cool, right? Ants may be tiny, but they are super strong and can lift things 10 times their weight. Ants live in big groups called colonies, and they work together as a team. Teamwork rocks! How do you feel about our drawing so far? Happy? Me too! I love it! Look at that! Our letter A looks amazing! We've added an apple, an ant, and an anchor. And now, it's time to color them. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. What color is your favorite apple? Red, green, or yellow? Wow, colorful! What's your favorite way to eat an apple? Maybe sliced or in a pie? Yummy! Have you ever seen an ant? What do you think it was carrying? Cool answer. Where do you think the ant is walking to? You're so creative. Do you know any other words that start with A? That's a great idea. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. What would an anchor look like in the deep ocean? Let's imagine together. What kind of ship might use an anchor? A big one or a small one? Nice guess! Which is your favorite, apple, ant, or anchor? Great choice! I like that one too. And we're done! Doesn't our letter A look fantastic? We've done such a wonderful job. Thank you for drawing and imagining with me. See you next time for more fun with letters and shapes.